Success on YouTube revolves a lot around the creator, the characters they portray, and their connections with their audience. But how do you achieve that without a camera? Subtitling can really make or break a video, especially when you don't have a camera. So here's how to do subtitles properly. First, click T on your keyboard to create the text box. Then drag the text layer over your clip. Now go through frame by frame and make a cut at the end of each word. A little tip for doing this is go up into the edit tab, then down to preferences, then up to audio, then turn on play audio while scrubbing. Now go over each subtitle and change it to the corresponding word. Now you'll have something like this. Oh yeah, super crazy fun subtitle time, baby. Oh yeah, and one more thing, please, for the love of God, don't put text on a blank background. This is the most mind-numbing
Shake just a little bit faster. No competition, no other.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. You want to know how I was made? Well, to do that, we first have to go into Photoshop. So I'll see you there, I guess. Now that we're in Photoshop, we want to go up to New File, then click 920 by 1080p, and paste that bad boy into... Now go up to the magic wand tool, click the background of your image, and press delete. Now when you do this, there's a pretty good chance that your image is going to look like absolute... So you're going to have to cut it out manually. Click the pen tool and then start outlining your subject. You don't really have to worry about the head because you'll be covering it with your channel's logo. Now right click and press make selection. Once you've done that, click Ctrl-Shift-I to invert the selection and then click delete. Now drag and drop your channel logo onto the canvas. Go up to the ellipse tool, then hold shift and drag from the top corner to the bottom corner of your logo. You once again press Ctrl-Shift-I to invert your selection, but this time we have to rasterize layer. Don't ask me why, it just means that you can delete unwanted parts. So go over to the image layer, then right click and go up to rasterize layer. Now press delete and resize your logo to the subject. Now you just have to export it. Man, I hope you know how to export it. I'll probably make a video going in depth on animation in the future, but for now all you didn't know is that scale is size and position is, well, position. In conclusion, it's definitely possible to grow on YouTube without a camera. You just have to keep going and eventually you'll get the hang of it. Anyway, I gotta get this video out, so goodbye.
I tried to say hi to your pretty blue eye, but I'm not to your view. Yeah, my friends ask me why did I spend all my time conversating about you. See, I guess it's the way that I dream of your face when I think of us two. I tried to chase, I've been looking for you, but you've been dodging my moves.